have uncovered a digital product design that has silently generated this store $2,000 in monthly revenue with only 300 listings on Etsy. And with a high market value for this digital product, the time to sell a wall-out design like this is now. So keep watching as I review the step-by-step process of crafting a potential design like this using AI. I noticed a high demand for wall art designs while searching for a potential digital product to sell on Etsy. However, the competition level in this niche will make it difficult for anyone to make sales. So the solution was to search for a wall art sub-niches, and as a result, I came across a store solely selling a unique wall art design style called William Morris, which has generated over 7K sales since publication with only 280 listings on Etsy. Now, if you search for William Morris on Etsy, you'll notice other sellers are using this style to design other type of potential digital products. But before proceeding to create a similar product, there are some basic information I need to know about this store: total revenue, how much each listing is making, and how long this store has been active. This information will help me know if this product is worth selling. To begin, I copied the name of the store and pasted it in Alora to gain more insight into the store. Now, I can tell that this store is generating about $2,000 in monthly revenue. Below, I could see each individual listings and how much they are earning. But what's really remarkable is that this store was created in 2023 and it's already making significant revenue, which shows that it's possible to generate a good amount of revenue selling this wall art design in a short period of time. Now, to create a prompt for this design, my main aim is to copy important keywords from this product name description to create one sample prompt. I will start the sample prompt with "in a poster design," then use "rabbit in the forest" as the subject and add additional information like botanical. Finally, I will include the style, which is William Morris, and this will give a result like this. Later, I'll ask ChatGPT to provide more variations from the sample prompt provided and instruct it to start each prompt with a customization and end it with the style of the prompt. And as always, ChatGPT did an amazing job. But before I continue with the design, I want to say I have added over 100 prompts for the digital product for anyone who is interested in starting this similar business, and it will be available for all my Patreon supporters. Link will be in the description. Additionally, I would like to extend a huge shout out to Valerie for her incredible support. Now, back to the design. So, to test out one of these prompts, I'll be using a Midjourney free alternative just for the sake of those who ain't ready to spend $10 on Midjourney yet. And there are many alternatives to try out this prompt with. But for this video, I'll be using Leonardo AI because it provides results almost similar to Midjourney. Before generating the prompt, I changed the aspect ratio to 2:3 for a portrait layout, and after generating the prompt, I was able to get this. Now for the final touch, I'll be presenting the result in this format since it's a proven concept that has generated good amount of revenue for this store. To begin, I created a canvas size in Canva and imported and aligned the design in the canvas. After adding both style and subject as text, I'd exported it as PNG or JPEG. Now, if I put our competitor design side by side with this, you'll notice we just created a similar potential digital product. Now, here's a crucial piece of information about wall art designs. Always remember to export your design to resonate with all these sizes, but you don't necessarily need to design one for every size. Instead, focus on creating one for the largest size in different ratio. With this, customers can scale it down to their preferred size. And since the design will be printed out, it's advisable to use external upscaling platform to avoid pixelation. I recommend this platform called Vectorizer or Remini from Google Play Store for this. Finally, I hope I was able to provide important information on how to kickstart your online Etsy business. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.